Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by choosing the simplest app that fits your flow. Notes is fast, Obsidian offers linking. Create a folder called Journal YI so entries stay organized and searchable. Once done, set a daily reminder at the same time. Consistency builds habit. Open a new file, title it with the date format YIMMDD, and type a one-line intention. This first step reduces friction. It's about getting started, not perfection, so capture one idea and move on. Once you have entries coming, adopt a template to speed writing and focus your thoughts. Mood, wins, one thing to improve, 3 prompts. Make sure files sync via iCloud or store them in an encrypted vault if privacy matters. Syncing keeps entries available across devices. Use keyboard shortcuts and text snippets to insert timestamps or common phrases instantly. This middle phase is about reliability. Automate repetitive steps, so journaling takes under 5 minutes but stays meaningful. To finish each session, write a one-sentence summary that captures the day's insight. It closes the loop and aids recall. Once a week, review tagged entries to spot patterns and export important notes to PDF or backup to an external drive. If syncing or file access fails, first toggle iCloud off and on, then resave the file locally and re-upload. That usually resolves conflicts. If problems persist, copy the text to a new file and rebuild the folder. Don't lose content over sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.